Yo, what's going on, guys? How you guys doing out here, man? Haven't did a video in a couple of weeks now, man. Have been having people comment me and asking me what's going on, and been dealing with my pops passed away on Black Friday. He was 82 years old. Uh, passed away from a heart attack. That was just He had one or 2 days before, then he had another one, and then we got to say goodbye to him and everything. So I guess I'm blessed to have the opportunity to at least say that. He passed away peacefully, and he's in a way better place now because he was going through a lot of stuff. So sucks that it happened, but it happened, and so 82 years old. So give a shout out to my pops here. I also lost one of my cousins the day afterwards. So he passed away. He was 33 years old. I think he was 33, 34, and he passed away the next day uh, due to gunshot wound. And that kind of sucked. I had to go to funerals. Had to go to my dad's funeral on a Friday, then his funeral on Saturday, and I never heard nothing like that. Never experienced nothing like that. Two funerals like that, and a loss that was real close to me. Of course, my pops. So that was a sucky week. 2 weeks or whatever. So that's why I didn't really post no videos, and I just was on my own little world. I was trying to work here and there just to keep my mind straight, but I'm back on it. Thanks God. So so I'm back on it. So I tried to do a live stream today, and it wasn't going through. Something was wrong with my recording. I gotta figure out how to do it on the computer, man, because this is a pain in the butt to do on a cell phone. But I'm gonna do a couple searches here. I'm gonna do a couple cities, a couple states. I know a lot of you guys are from Florida, down south, so I'm gonna do a couple states and see where, I'm gonna do like maybe the East Coast, a couple places in the East Coast, and do like Jersey, no, New Jersey. Let me see, New York, PA, and then see the race from there. I'm gonna just do something. I'm gonna do anything over $3.50 a mile. So I want to see the best lows out here, and then I go to I do a different part and see where the rates are at. Because this is a good way to see where the good lows coming out of. Of course, it's gonna be over 100 lows here, but at least this could give you an example where the freight's coming out of. You know what I'm saying? Now this say Avon, New York to Cheshire, Connecticut, 53 pounds. That's incorrect. But these are the rates, and to be honest, man, these rates are pretty damn good. Damn, look at this right here. Oh, no wonder. Van, New York. Yeah, New York, New York. No wonder it's paying $1,400. Every PA to Baltimore. I know we had a driver that was looking on Baltimore lows. This is not a bad Baltimore low right here. Thing is, you gotta be up in the area. You know what I'm saying? So I scroll down for you guys can see. Damn, look at these rates here. I mean, of course, I know I put a high rate on it, 350, but I mean, you usually don't see $5 rates or $6 rates here, but they're going pretty far. And a lot of got to do with the East Coast and stuff, and little storms we had here and there, and people don't want to run up here. So at least I want to show you guys where the lows are or whatever, but damn, these rates are not bad. Look at this. Berlin, New Jersey to Farmingdale. Farmingdale, I've been there before, and Berlin is right there on 73. So that's a pretty, man, that's a good ass load, man. Sorry, I don't like cursing, but that's a good load right there. If you don't book that load, I know you got to go into, you got to pay tolls and stuff like that, but it's not a bad load, man. Philadelphia to Plainfield, Connecticut. There you go. That's some bad lows there. Let's check another area. 'Cause I know a lot of you guys are from down south. So let's see Florida, Georgia. I don't get a lot of Kentucky. I get North Carolina. Tennessee, South Carolina, VA. Uh, uh, Let me see. I put down what's the rates? 375 a mile. All right. Since it's more states, let's put the maximum results at 200 because I know there's more drivers that run this area more. So let's see what's pop up. I'm surprised to see if I see any Florida here, but all right. So these are the lows coming out of there. The Louisville, North Carolina to Alaska. Wow, look at this. That's crazy. Look at this. North Pole, like, is there? I mean, I'm thinking it's North Pole. I mean, that's what it's saying right there. But that'd be a crazy load to do, even to do. That'd be crazy to see. Yeah, I guess that's Let me see. Let me see. They got a town, Fairbanks. Yeah, North Pole. Like that's crazy. Like, yo, that'd be crazy. Oh my god, that'd be so crazy, yo. Yo, I gotta talk to you guys later. I gotta go to the North Pole. Like, whoever say that, you know what I'm saying? That's crazy. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. That's crazy. I'm not sure I'm ever gonna see that again, but oh, wait, give me a second. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That'd be a nice load. I do some load like that. I probably frame that load on a frame or something. You know, how many people get the opportunity to do that, you know? I wouldn't want to go up there, though, by the way. Give it to somebody else. But look at this. Virginia to Dayton, Ohio. That's a good load. This is good. I mean, I know, nope, I ain't been looking at nobody request, and I apologize, but I'm going to start doing a little bit much better, doing more videos or whatever. But if you don't know what to run, this is a good way of doing it. If you can see, you know, like in the East Coast, a lot of good lows out of there. Now, if you notice over here, I put Florida and all these other states, but a lot of these lows are in Virginia. So Virginia will be a good place to go and haul, and take your butt down to Virginia and book a load, or head down there. So that's a good area to go to. But this is just a good way to figure out if you don't know where to run at. You know, just type in a couple states and then do your search bar or whatever, and that's it. And got a lot of good lows here. Not bad, not bad. Now, if you could tell, if I type in Arizona, New Mexico, and stuff like that, you might not see none of the stuff, but 77 miles, 650, I mean, come on. Pick up, deliver same day. I mean, 10,000 pounds, like, you're making like, what, 450 probably, or 500 around there, 450 for one day? That's not bad, dude. Come on. Here we got the little lows here, but let's back out. And by the way, to figure out how many loads are there, it's 37,000 loads on that board. Now you could give me a second. What I want to do? All right, clear this states to the south. Let's check. Let's check Ohio, man. Ohio be having some good stuff. I know I got some people from Chicago, so let's check Michigan, Indiana. Good things you could mix this up. Connecticut, and let's check Mass. I mean, the good thing is you could mix this up and see what's up. Let's see Cali, man, because I know Cali's going through some stuff. So let's see what we got. Pretty sure a lot of loads from Ohio. Now, look, a lot of stuff going to Fairbanks. I guess a lot of mail going to the North Pole. I guess see Santa Claus or whatever. But $16,000. Damn, that's crazy, man. Oof, man, that's crazy money. All right, let's go down. Ohio to Mass. Man, Ohio to Mass. You see that, guys, on top? 740 miles. 3,200 pounds. Click on here and let's see what it tells you. Preloaded trailer, drop and hook at pickup and delivery. Year-round freight. Get in the pool before it's too late. Oh, look, he's a rapper. He's rhyming. That's what's up. So he probably got this every day. So not every day, but he probably got a lot of these loads, and that's a good way to run back and forth from Mass to Ohio, Ohio to Mass. Make some good money doing that, man. It say 4 days on it. I know I caught that. I know somebody gonna tell me, hey, it's 4 days on it, blah blah blah. But you might, that's probably the days that he got on it. You could probably switch it up, or see if those are really the days. Now those are not that bad, right here. Ohio always be damn. Look at this, yo, damn. Jefferson, Ohio to Passtown, PA, $2,000. Damn, that's some good lows right there. Let's get a screenshot of this. That's a good low right there, man. That's not a bad low. Damn, 2 grand. Haven't seen lows like this in a while. That's a good thing, guys. That's a good thing, man. Hopefully these rates goes up, man. That's what we need. We gotta make this money. Well, not too much, because right now it's buying time, because you gotta buy. Make sure you get that tax deduction. Taxes coming around the corner, so you gotta get that done. But that's it. Not bad, yo. What else we gonna check? Let's see what we got. Let me see. I'm gonna check a little bit out west. I did Cali. Now I don't really got a lot of out west people. The people only ask for California. South. I'll be the South. Midwest. I did Midwest. Okay. Man, that's it. I guess that's it. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna check. Let me see something. Let's see what's the best rates out there with good miles though. Let's see if they got anything for $6 a mile. Let's see what we got. Maximum wage. Maximum miles. Wait. Minimum miles. Let's put 250, 200. All right, so look at this. Oh wow, that's damn. What is that? Yeah, I'm not sure. That must be some kind of dedicated stuff on top of $42,000. 807. Damn, that's my mom's address. Wow, that's crazy. I'm about to play that number. Let's see what we got. Yeah, Alaska. Yeah, these are all locals. Not local, but I mean, anything under 500 miles. Well, anything 250 miles is like kind of considered local, or 300 miles. But that's some bad lows here. But yeah, man, I wanted to do a live stream. I'm gonna start working on that now, because I gotta pick up a load tomorrow. The loads went up a couple hundred. Right there, you can see it went up 3,800. But hey, so listen, I'm gonna try to do a live stream tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get this fixed and see if I can get it fixed, man. So I will get back at you guys tomorrow, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I got the description on the bottom for the recruiter. You tell him, Trucker Dave sent you, and he will take care of you, man. So you guys be safe, and thank you for watching.